Hey everyone! Welcome back to Success Mindset 12, the place where we talk about building wealth, freedom, and a mindset for success. Now let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like your 9 to 5 job just isn't enough? Maybe you want to pay off debt faster, travel more, or just stop worrying about bills every month. Well, guess what? 2025 is one of the best times in history to make extra income. With AI tools, new online platforms, and flexible side hustles everywhere, earning extra cash has never been easier, if you know where to look. So in this video, I'm going to share 10 legit ways to make extra income in 2025. No scams, no get-rich-quick nonsense. These are real, practical ideas that thousands of people in the United States are using right now to make an extra $500, $1,000, even $5,000 a month on the side. Stay with me till the end, because number 10 might surprise you. It's one of the easiest ways to make money from home in 2025 that almost no one's talking about. Let's jump straight into it. Freelancing with AI skills. The freelance economy is booming, and with AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion AI, you don't need to be a pro designer or coder to make money. People in the U are getting paid $20 to $100 per task doing things like writing blog posts or emails using AI tools, creating social media content for small businesses, making simple graphics or videos for brands. Platforms to try: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopDel. Pro tip: pick one skill, like AI content creation, and build a simple portfolio. Offer a free first project to get reviews, then raise your rates. Average side income: $800 to $2,000 per month once you get consistent clients. Print-on-demand stores. Print-on-demand is one of the most beginner-friendly side hustles in 2025. You can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and more, and companies like Printful or Gelato handle everything from printing to shipping. All you do is upload your design, set your price, and promote your products on Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. The best part? No inventory, no upfront costs. All you need is creativity and marketing consistency. Average side income: $300 to $1,500 per month after 2 to 3 months of steady uploads. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest and still one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income online. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product or service, like Amazon, Skillshare, or Bluehost. When someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. You can start by creating a YouTube channel reviewing products, a blog comparing tools or apps, YouTube videos about helpful products, or even short TikTok clips. Example: promoting financial tools like Robinhood or Webull can pay $15 to $25 per sign-up. Average income: $500 to $3,000 per month, depending on traffic. Focus on evergreen niches like finance, health, and productivity because they never go out of style. Online tutoring or coaching. If you're skilled in something, math, English, fitness, business, or mindset, people are willing to pay to learn from you. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare let you teach and earn from your expertise. Average income: $2,000 to $6,000 per month depending on your niche. Create recorded lessons once, then earn passive income every time a student enrolls. Print-on-demand business. Love creative designs? You can sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without touching any inventory. Just upload your designs to Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring, and they handle production, packaging, and shipping. Average income: $500 to $4,000 per month depending on design quality and marketing. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Canva to design faster and promote your store on TikTok or Pinterest. YouTube automation or faceless channel. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Create content using AI voiceovers, stock videos, and tools like Pictory or CapCut. Popular niches. Motivation. Tech gadgets. AI tools. Finance facts. Average income: $1,000 to $10,000 per month depending on views and ad revenue. Upload shorts consistently. They grow channels fast and attract sponsors. Content writing or copywriting. If you can write persuasive, engaging content, brands need you. From blog posts to email marketing to ad copy, writing is a top online income skill. Average income, $1,500 to $5,000 per month. Learn SEO basics using Surfer SEO or Ahrefs. Clients pay more for optimized content that ranks. Social media management. Businesses need people to manage their Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook pages. If you understand how to post engaging content, grow followers, and analyze insights, you can get paid well. Average income, $2,000 to $7,000 per month. Offer, AI-boosted management using tools like Notion AI, Buffer, or Meta Business Suite. Renting out assets, passive side hustle. If you live in the U, you can rent out assets you already have. Rent your spare room on Airbnb. Rent your car on Turo. Rent tools or camera gear on Fat Llama. Average income, $500 to $4,000 per month, depending on what you rent. Use Airbnb's long-term stay feature for consistent monthly income. Digital product sales. Create and sell ebooks, templates, Notion planners, or online guides on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It's one of the best passive income streams. Make once, sell forever. Average income, $1,000 to $8,000 per month. Top sellers make way more. Use Canva and ChatGPT to create digital products faster and promote on Pinterest plus Instagram. Here's the truth. 2025 isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. AI tools and the internet have leveled the playing field. If you start today, even with one skill, you can grow multiple income streams that set you free. So stop waiting for the right time. Start small. Stay consistent. Build one stream, then another. And soon, you'll have freedom, flexibility, and financial peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'm ready to build my income in 2025 below. Because on this channel, Success Mindset 12, we believe that success isn't luck. It's mindset, action, and consistency. Stay focused, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.